Hello everybody. I wanted to do a little video here on magnesium fire starter sticks. I got this one down at Harbor Freight for $2.49. Comes with a chain on it to hold it together, but it's kind of hard to use that way. But you get a piece of hacksaw blade with a little hole on it to run your chain through. And you get the magnesium fire starter stick. And it has the side on it for you to do the sparks. But you'll want to get you a pile of magnesium shaved off. But you just take your blade, scrape some off. You'll want to have a pile about the size of a dime or maybe a nickel. And you'll want to take the rough edge and you'll want to spark it like that, but you'll want it to go into your pile there. And once it starts going there, take and put you some dry grass on it or something. And you got a fire. Pretty easy. Sometimes it's hard to get the sparks directed onto your pile of magnesium. But once you do, it gets hot enough to start you a fire, and it should melt most metals actually. But anyway, thanks for viewing my channel and videos, and like my videos and subscribe, and have a great night everybody. Bye.